Hey friends, if the brightness control function keys are not working on your Windows system, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Now, I actually found the resolution on the Microsoft Answers forum and I referred it because I wanted to know what was helping users exactly. Because this brightness function will definitely be controlled by the function keys. Now, the reason is that when you press the function key for brightness, like for example, in my computer, the brightness keys are the ones associated with F3 and F4. Okay, F3 will dim the light and F4 will increase the light. So if there is a problem with this, then you need to remember that you have to press the function key and the brightness key together. I'll show it to you on the on-screen keyboard, but you have to do it on the physical keyboard. This is the function key. It's next to the control key, or both of them could be interchanged. The control key can be here and the function key can be next to the Windows key. And you have to press it in tandem with the brightness keys, okay, whether it's 3 or 4. So you press function plus 3, function plus 4, depending upon what it is on your system. In some systems, it may be a little different. So this is the case, and if it doesn't work, then try pressing escape plus function to check if the brightness slider will turn on or not. That is it. There's nothing else that you can do, and if it still doesn't work, just perform an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.